Let's see some push-ups.
9, 10.
Okay, how about some sit-ups? Good job. Keep
1,
going.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What about some jumping jacks?
Jumping jacks? I can't do that. I have to do mountain climbing too.
Okay, do a mountain climber. Okay, good job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What about a burpee?
Burpee?
Yeah, do a burpee.
1, 2. Almost done.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, mountain climber. I mean, a burpee. Do a burpee.
Oh, sorry. How much you got? Stretch.
Good job. Now let's see jumping jacks.
Jump jacks? Okay, sure. Here we go. Arms up high.
Arms up high.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job. How do you feel?
I feel, almost forgot. Climbing.
What's climbing?
Because you just take it for up high.
Great job.